Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to achieve low ACoS with minimal exact match spend. Let's get into it. When we talk about lowering ACoS, the common belief is that you need to heavily rely on exact match targeting. It seems logical. Exact match targets buyers who are searching for that very specific keyword, so it should give you the cleanest, most efficient traffic. But after analyzing multiple high-performing accounts with ACoS under 25%, an interesting trend appeared. They weren't overly dependent on exact match at all. In one account, only 5% of the total spend was on exact match, yet the overall ACoS was below 20%. This shows that exact match isn't the only way to drive performance. Instead, broader match types like phrase and broad were doing a lot of the heavy lifting. And this wasn't just a one-off, it repeated across several accounts. So what's happening here? One major factor is audience behavior at scale. Broad and phrase match types let Amazon's algorithm explore different long-tail variations and combinations that exact match would miss. These broader terms bring in top-of-funnel traffic, some of which convert surprisingly well, especially if your listing is optimized and your price point is attractive. Another overlooked piece is placement strategy. Many sellers ignore how important top-of-search placement can be. The way Amazon structures its widgets, like frequently bought together, sponsored on product detail pages, or Amazon's choice, depends on placement data. Campaigns with low exact match spend but strong performance often have high placements in top of search or product pages through bidding strategies or placement adjustments. This means their ads are showing in premium locations regardless of match type. Also, creative type and destination matter. Are you sending traffic to your storefront or a custom landing page? Are you using video ads or banner ads? Some campaigns get better results simply by matching the right creative with the right audience. The takeaway is that a low ACoS doesn't always come from playing it safe with exact match. It's about a well-rounded strategy that uses the full range of Amazon's targeting tools, smart bid placement, diverse match types, high-converting creatives, and optimized product pages. So instead of cutting back on phrase or broad spend, take a closer look at how they're contributing to the bigger picture. Track your performance by match type, by placement, and by campaign type. And you'll often find that the key to unlocking lower ACoS is hiding in the data you weren't even focusing on. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.